The total donated Terra Classic coin has now hit 46.45 billion bond. Yes, the total donated by Terra Classic community, by Terra Classic holders who have been showing great support, who have been massively showing great support towards the burning of Terra Classic, even though they are yet to hit 50 billion bonds for this coin, but of course they have really tried. Now, in the past 1 year and 4 months, in the past 1 year and 4 months, Terra Classic community in general and the holders, they have been able to burn 46.45 billion coins of Terra Classic. Yes, these coins are their coins people donated towards the burning of Terra Classic. People donated towards the success of Terra Classic. People donated to see that the burning rate of Terra Classic and the market supply reduces. Yes, even though we see that there are still more coins out there, but of course, the little people are doing, they need to be appreciated, and that is what we are doing. But to your notice, just have it in mind that almost 47 billion coin is about to be destroyed. We just have few millions to hit 47 billion coins. That, remember, this 47 billion coins, I didn't include the tax bond. The tax bond is not included. This one is just the donated coins towards the burning of Terra Classic. So I did not include the tax bond. By the time we include the tax bond, I think that should be over 70 billion. So this is just coins donated by Terra Classic community. So this is amazing to see. 46.45 billion has been destroyed so far. So Terra Classic community, you see, they have great community that have been supporting, and I hope this will continue. So let's see where we go in the next few months or in the next few years, to see if Luna definitely will delete some zeros, if the price will delete some zeros, because we are still trading with almost 4 or 5 zeros. So we want to see at the end, at the end of everything, at the end of being 2025, being 2030, whatever, but the end needs to justify the means. That is the main thing we want. We want to see that the end of Terra Classic will end up putting smiles on people's, on holders' faces, on community faces. That is why people really want to see that happen. That is why they are really concerned, they are really donating towards the burning of Terra Classic LUNC coin. Please, if you have any question or any comment about this, please kindly drop your comment in the comment section below. If you have any advice or anything you feel that Terra Classic need to adapt that will help the coin to grow more, you can do that in the comment section. Remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.